Hi, welcome to our channel. This is Topper Chef. Today we're going to make a vegetable lentil patty. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to make this patty. This is potatoes and carrots and of course the lentils and quinoa. We're going to mix all this. Now what happens with all the patty recipes which we have tried before or I have tried is they become very vegany and they are devoid of taste. So main thing is to get taste into this thing so anybody can eat it. And if there is no flavor and it just tastes like cardboard, nobody is going to eat it. That's why you got to have lots of spices and flavoring in it so somebody can eat it. So for this we're going to add some powdered garlic, powdered onion, then cumin and fennel seeds. Lot of flavoring, so it increases every bite you take. You gotta feel some kind of spice in your mouth. Coriander seeds here, those were flakes. And here, look at this, it will make it look colorful. So this is parsley and chopped nice different types of peppers, and of course cilantro, which will all go together. And then we're going to add some salt and some flaxseed to bind everything together. So this becomes a very healthy patty, but also it will be very tasty also. Now I'm going to mix all this together. Okay, welcome back to making the patties for our vegetable lentil patty. So what we need to do is I made balls like this with a scoop, so they have to be really same shape and size. And here what I'm doing is just making them tight. You can't make it loose, otherwise they will just break open. So here you are, putting it more like this. So put some more. This is cornmeal. I like to use cornmeal. So this is, since it is very vegetarian, we're not gonna use anything else, eggs or anything like that to hold it together. So press it first so it retains its shape, and then pat it with enough cornmeal for it so it will retain its shape while we fry. So for this we can't deep fry it. The reason is it will all break apart, so you have to shallow fry it like you're making the patty for the ragda patties. Okay, so now we made the patty. We got about 16 patties like that, and now the oil is really hot. So this is called shallow frying. You just take about ½ inch of oil and so they are all fried all the way through. Then put about 5 of them. And let's not make it very hot. The oil should be really less, I mean not so hot. So on medium flame is good. So it cooks all the way through and browns on both the sides. 1 minute, probably about 1 minute on each side will be just right, on a medium flame. Okay, as you can see, it's nice. The flame is nice. There you go. And it's just about ½ inch of oil, and give it a little bit more on one side so it browns well, and then you've got to flip it over on the other side. And that way we're going to do about 10 of them, 12 of them, all like this. Now let me go ahead and show you. Very careful when you're flipping it, because there you go. That's one of them that's flipped. You can still brown them a little more. So it doesn't break. Be careful how you do it. There you are. Wow. So this is how it should be, brown like this. And let it brown both the other side also for a minute, and then you take it out. Okay, so now both sides is cooked, and I'm going to take it off. All of these are crunchy on both sides, as you can see. Take it off, all of those, and that's what you're going to do with all of them on medium heat. Fry them, and then repeat the process with all of the other patty. And so I hope you liked my vegetable lentil patty. Voila, it's all ready. So just repeat the process back again with the other cutlets.